Looking for a great local mechanic? Recouped Automotive is here for you. From a tune-up, to a touch-up, to a complete rebuild from the ground up, Recouped Automotive has you covered. Offering services to fit all of your automotive needs. Open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. 456-2345. Give us a call, Recouped Automotive, for all your automotive needs. From a basic tune-up, to a simple touch-up, to rebuilding your car completely from the ground up, Recouped Automotive has you covered. Give us a call, 456-2345. Recouped Body Shop and Collision Center. Fiberglass, plastic, we repair it all. Classic car restoration, welding and fabrication. All types of body repair. All insurance claims are welcome. Recouped Automotive is here for you. You can trust us for your complete auto body repair needs. Give us a call, 456-2345. Robin, where can I get my car worked on?
Recouped Automotive, Batman.
Looking for a great local mechanic? Recouped Automotive is here for you. Offering services to fit all of your automotive needs. Recouped Automotive. Give us a call, 828-456-2345. Because even superheroes need their car worked on.